What about the pricing of the two? How much does it cost to, how does it work with the credits? Maybe you have a pricing page so we can check out or,
Yeah, so right now we're still at the yeah, right now we're still at the founding beta pricing.
mhm.
For example, so the first 25 images, they're free. You can just It's free to test out. Just go
Wow.
over here, go to the pricing section. First images and two listings are free. You can test it out. If you choose to upgrade, it's $95 per month, and it's like 500 image generations. So which is like very cost to cost. Like even the API cost us about 17 to 18 cents per image, and we're giving it at the exact same price, and everything else is on us. Like, you get that for free. But this pricing will change in the coming months. But right now, everybody who upgrades right now, they will be grandfathered in. There's going to be no pricing change for existing users. But
Okay.
if you're an agency, if you like to generate a lot more, you have another plan, 3,000 images per month. This also gives you, like, API access, and a lot of you can add up to 20 team members within your team. So these are the pricing, and it's like super like affordable if you do, like, per image, it's like cost to cost.
Hmm. All right. So again, we're going to have the website in the description with the best offer. And it's nice that it's possible to test it out for free. It's also a decent amount of images, I would say. So you can run a listing or two, see how it works. Also, since like it's the beginning of the journey of Kamau's kind of software, sharing would be really appreciated. So like try it out, share in groups with your friends, to kind of spread the word.